So this question is a simplify question. I know that because simplify questions are typically between 1 and 3 lines long and contain either an equation or an expression. In this case, the expression we have is k to the 5/16 times k to the 3/2 to the 5/8. Now, whenever I notice that it's a simplified question, I tend to just jump straight in and simplify either the equation or expression. But let's go ahead and read this and make sure we're on the right track. So the question says, which expression is equivalent to this expression, which I just wrote down, where k is greater than 0? So realistically, all we need to do here is simplify this expression. So I'm going to start with the parentheses here. I have the 3/2 power raised to a 5/8 power, and that becomes k to the 15/16, right? Because I'm multiplying the fractions. I'm multiplying 3/2 times 5/8, right? 3 times 5 is 15, 2 times 8 is 16. So this question becomes k to the 5/16 times k to the 15/16. And then to simplify that, what we do is we add the exponents, right? So just a little bit of review. Whenever you have a power, like 3/2, raised to another power, like 5/8, you multiply the exponents together. Whenever you're multiplying the same base, right, in this case k, that have exponents as well, you add those exponents. So this will become k to the 5/16 plus 15/16, which is 20/16. So not seeing 20/16 on the answer choices, I also see that 20 divided by 16 can be simplified, right? There is a common factor, that factor being 4. 4 goes into 20 5 times, 4 goes into 16 4 times. So what I'm left with here is k to the 5/4. Again, looking at my answer choices, I see that all of my answer choices are in radical form. So the way that I convert this exponential form, k to the 5/4, into radical form is that the base, the k, goes under the radical, the numerator 5 stays as a power here, and the denominator 4 becomes the type of radical, right? The fourth root of k to the 5th, and therefore the correct answer here is choice B.